So I took a video here, screen capture of on my desktop while pulling up my board IP address at the LED on, LED off addresses. And at the same time, I have a video going of our Symphony board showing the LED coming on and off. So I'm gonna play it now here. So I've brought up right here, this is a picture-in-picture view. So you'll want to watch down here. It's kind of hard because of the contrast, because we have these power LEDs that are already on, but this LED at the bottom is actually off. So we're gonna go to my board IP, the port, LED on. And we can see that the LED comes on and we get the response from Node.js. LED was turned on. Then we're gonna turn LED off. And we can see the LED here went off. And it's gonna repeat this one more time in case anyone missed it. There we go. And this demo code is available on GitHub. I put it on GitHub, and I have a link at the end of the presentation. So you could actually pull this yourself and follow. I have some instructions there and run it on our VAR-SOM-MX93 if you'd like.